guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my vending machine. So here it looks like. It spins out candies and uses its 360-degree freezer. Other side, the back, other side, and here's the front. And I'm not decorated yet because I am lazy, so I have a bunch of coins. And actually it rejects like 10 cents and 20 cents like that. I don't know where my 10 cents is. This is gone, and now I'm going to use my 10 cents coin, and it rejects the 20 cents coin. As you can see, it rejects, and now I have to use the $1 coin so it doesn't reject $1 coin. Then spin this knob, and you're gonna get a bunch of candies, or maybe just one or two. So I get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get 6 of candies, but sometimes you may get candies or not, and sometimes another try, and it sometimes get a little stuck there. So I get one candies in half, and you can take your coins in here. So just like turn it back, then open these little things, and you can grab all your coins in here. And then refueling, you can refilling at the top like this. Insert a lot of mechanism. That's our mechanism. So first, starting by the coin slot, like this, 20 cents fall into that hole and sell to the customer. So it seems like it rejects 20 cents, and for $1 it's accepted. So here is it. It's fallen to that little tray, and it's connected here where you can take your coins, like your $1 coins in here. And for the candy, so as you can see, there's something like this. Sorry if the vending machines is bad because I'm not decorated yet. So like there's the candies in here. So when you rotate it, the candy will fall, and it gives to the customer. Again. Okay. So here's my squishy vending machine. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. So bye.